Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from RPGSHOW. Everything about her will be in my description box below. The construction of this unit was perfect. I like how this wig had an adjustable elastic band. Obviously, y'all see she came pre-plucked, so there will be no plucking needed. Essentially, you do not have to pluck her. She already came pre-plucked. But if you are like me, I'm going to just pluck just a little bit. And honestly, with any human hair wig, plucking is optional. It just depends on if the hairline is just too thick. So I got my hot comb setting. I believe it was on 360. Trust, if I wanted to go up to 400, she could withstand that heat, y'all. Y'all are watching me do a step that is not going to mean nothing in the future because I didn't end up doing a middle part. I ended up doing a side part on this unit. I love these curling irons. They just make it so easy for me to curl. I really hate curling, but I do love watching this hair slide off that curling iron like butter. That chocolate brown is such a sexy color. Like, sometimes you don't want a black wig all the time. Having a different shade of brown with no highlights is just simple yet sexy at the same time. This is me deciding if I want to have a big forehead or not. So with that adjustable elastic band, you are able to wear her glueless if you do not feel like putting no type of adhesive on her as well. Like, look at the lace. Look at the lace, y'all. I was going to an event that day, so I was kind of like semi-rushing a little bit. I ended up attending a private dinner with the Inky List. Their skincare brand is amazing. I have a whole reel about how I feel about them on my Instagram page if you are not already following me. Like I told y'all, I am going to an event, so I want this sucker to be laying down, okay? I really did want to go with a sultry, nice, clean look. Look how soft she looks, y'all. So overall, the pros that I had with her, she came pre-plucked. The color was beautiful. The texture is soft. This was a very easy install. And the lace is blendable. I so far don't have any cons with her. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this review, make sure you guys are giving me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Would love for y'all to stick around. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Peace.